Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this unboxing is from DPClubs. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to DPClubs. These are actually storage containers for diamond painting drills that I got from DPClubs. I got the two different kinds, so this is how they came, bubble wrapped. And in the outer bag that had my diamond paintings in there, but those are a separate video. So these are the drawer system. I got the two different kinds, so one of them will have the bottles and one will have the Tic Tac containers. So these are the ones with the bottles. It does come with a funnel, and here are the bottles. This look like there are some labels at the bottom. I'm just taking out the labels, and I'm gonna see if these can arrange nicer, hopefully. So the bottle ones, so they do come with two here, and there's more labels under there. Just trying to get, oh, that didn't turn out as well as my last one. So there are, I'm just gonna put them together here. Put them back. Well, you know, now that they're out, so there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So there are 44. Like, the listing does say there's 44. And I'm just gonna see if these are the taller or the taller, skinnier. So these bottles are the ones that are taller but a little bit skinnier. I've noticed in these bigger bottles, there's two sizes. It's either this one that's, if you notice, it is a little shorter, or this one that's taller and skinnier. So I'm wondering if, just because I have these out, so right now there's 22 in here. I'm guessing if I put these one, I'm not going to fit, but it doesn't fit as nicely. So it's not all like neat and tidy. So if that's something that matters to you, how neat and tidy they look in here, I'm gonna see how many of these shorter ones will fit and whether, oh, it does look like there is some ridges here, so you could always put in a divider, but I just want to see if it will fit better if I put the shorter ones. I won't fit as many, maybe. Yeah, no, I don't think it's gonna fit as well. But I figure, while I have this empty, let's try it out. Yeah, no, I don't think the shorter, fatter ones are any better in fitting in here. So, yeah. But it does seem like 22 of these bottles will fit in these drawers. And let's see, put this back in here. But I have another drawer system that I've been using to hold my special drills, and I really do like it holding my special drills. I just think it just makes it so much easier to bling up when my special drills are in there, because it's easier to see. Somehow, I can't seem to fit all of them when they used to fit. So wait, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21. So one of them are from here. There you go. So yeah, so it does come with this here, and it does come loose like this, and it does have some holes in the back if you want to put it on your wall, and they can also get connected this way, so if you want to do it that way. And they fit in here relatively easily here. So yeah, I did, like I said, I got the other kind, which has the Tic Tac boxes. I have found that once I started using the Tic Tac boxes, I actually don't mind them. I thought I wouldn't like them, but I'm actually starting to like them. So these ones come with the Tic Tac boxes. So I think, yeah, and it comes with the, looks like the funnel is in the back there, and it does look like there is the labels underneath. Oh, it comes with 2 funnels. So you get 2 funnels with this one, the labels. So the Tic Tac boxes, I think, fit this much better than the round bottles. So this has 2, 4, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 times 5 is 35. So 35 times 2 is 70. So yeah, so this comes with 70 pieces of the Tic Tac containers. And I think this drawer system, I think, works much better with the Tic Tacs just because it looks so much nicer. I'm going to see if I can get... The only thing is the labels are hard to get to. Let me see if I could just use tweezers. Will I be able to get them without having to take out all the Tic Tac boxes? So yeah, I was able to get my labels out there. Didn't have to use the tweezers. So yeah, it does come with labels. I'm not sure if these labels will fit the Tic Tac boxes. They seem a little bit big, but I have tons of labels, so I'm not worried about that. But yeah, I think this is a better system for the Tic Tac boxes because I think they just fit much better in here than the round bottles. The round bottles look a little bit messier. So so these are on the DPClubs site. So the Tic Tac boxes are $25.79, while the round bottle one is $21.79. So the round bottles are a little bit cheaper, but you also have much less bottles. This one only has 44, while this has 70 here. So yeah, and so this, like, you could use this. I'm not sure this would have enough bottles with just what, 20, did I say there was 22 bottles in each? I don't know if these would be great for kitting up, but it might be good for putting your spare drills or something in here. These ones actually with 35 in here, these actually might make a really good thing to kit up if you do the smaller size diamond paintings like I do. I just realized that the Tic Tac boxes, I'm not sure if you could see it. There's a letter in there. This one says N. There's one that says F. There's a B and an A. I don't know what they mean, but there is a little letter on there. But if you wanted to, you could connect these and make a 4. So 4 connected, and you could put these down here, these up here, and man, that's actually kind of heavy. So yeah, if I were to get this, I would actually more recommend the Tic Tac boxes just because it's neater. They fit much nicer in this storage container. And you know, I also have a very similar storage system to this that I guess I could show you. Oh wait, I should measure one of these. just so that you know how big they are. If I could split them up, well, maybe I can't. They should be, it might be easier to split them up without the bottles in there, but it's actually not a bad thing that these are hard to take apart. Because you don't want them sliding. So this outer container is about 16 by 10.5 by 6 centimeters wide. So in case you want to know how big they are, but like I said, I have this in a bigger size from a different store. But if you wanted to see the comparison and how big they look compared to that, I have it right next to me. I'm just trying to put these together, so I'm just trying to put these together so you can see the comparison to my other set that I have that's similar to this. So these ones I got off of Amazon. So these I got from Amazon, and so they are much bigger. There are a lot more bottles in here. But if you want something smaller, these are actually very similar to this. No, like I don't see any real difference in I don't really see any real difference other than the size. I kind of am not a big fan of how easy it is when you pick it up that the drawers will open. So that's my one con against these ones, is that does happen to this one too, but it happens a lot more for this one just because of how heavy it is. So, and for whatever reason, this one makes more of a, like, can you hear the sound? While this one doesn't. Probably because the bottles are more squeezed in, and while this one is more loose. But yeah, in case you wanted to see just the size difference between these, this is the one that I got from DPClubs. This one I got off of Amazon. And you know what? I actually think this one that I got off of Amazon, they come apart too easily. It's kind of annoying. While this one, you saw how hard I had for them to come apart. So I kind of like that. So yeah, here is the storage system I got from DPClubs. It is on their site right now, and I do have a coupon code for DPClubs, so if you want to use it to buy these, feel free to use them. But yeah, here, well, they originally came like so. So yeah, here are the two kinds with you could get the Tic Tac boxes or the bottles. I actually think this looks really good with the Tic Tac bottles. And that's all for today. So thank you to DPClubs for sending me these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.